Welcome back everybody to StarGemCosmetics. I am about to show you the new launches, the new products, all new stuff coming for StarGemCosmetics. Some has already launched and we'll get through it all together. First of all, let's dive in to the biggest launch that we've started so far. Our Balder Beauty Balm is a makeup removing cleanser, 55 grams of pure day cleansing moisturizing balm. It's infused with beta carotene to help dry, overworked, tired skin like mine. I've been using this constantly for about a month now. Definitely notice a difference. I am feeling much softer. It has mineral oil, paraffin, petroleum, beta carotene, and our preservative, which is phenolnip. It's got our logo, our email. It is cruelty free and it is good for up to 24 months when opened. But just look at this beautiful Yggdrasil drawing. I am so pleased with how this turned out. There have been several renditions. There's been this one, and it's just, I don't want to stick my fingers in it. I just put these on. But as you can see, it was super gunky and almost impossible to get out of the jar. Whereas this one is smooth, soft, and the beta carotene didn't actually oxidize, so it didn't turn it gross kind of yellow like it did this one. So I'm really impressed with how this turned out. Retail for $10 each. Oh my god, I'm so excited for you guys to try this. Next up, I'm sure a lot of you have noticed my wild lip, and two of the colors are current. We have Shattered and Sis on the lips right now, and right in between and right in my forehead is our newest launch, Cry About It. It is a pure white lipstick. I'm going to be upfront and honest with you guys. I could not find a private label white lipstick that I could purchase as a small business. They only catered to people that could order 10,000 individual tubes or more. So I went on the offense and I formulated this, and I really think I did it because I've been playing in makeup. Nothing, right? Nothing except for Sis, but that's private label. It does not transfer. See, look. Nothing. 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 It does not transfer. It is currently in my waterline. Look at this. Yeah, there's a little underneath, but that's because I'm terrible at waterline. But Cry About It will become available here shortly. May 5th. May 5th is when this launches. I had to, of course, custom order new tubes. I still have not put the stickers on them, but so excited to get that started and get to filling all those tubes. I ordered quite a few of them because I know you all are just gonna adore Cry About It. On to the next thing. As you know, our mystery boxes, our astrology mystery boxes have returned. Short quantity, very small quantity, 8 boxes for each sign. But each sign will also receive new revitalized astrology products. 7 lucky products for each sign. And we found a small glitch because I only launched 11 shades of our Skin Deep setting powder. There should have been 12. This one resurfaced. I had to remake it because the formula went bad. Because it's only so good when it's packaged like this. It's good for 2 years, that's right. But I was messing around with pink when I first started launching these, and I forgot to actually launch it. So say hello to Morganite. But they do come sealed now. I did find a sticker small enough, but I actually upgraded to 50-gram jars. So the stickers that I have on now work perfectly. Let's go ahead and give you a shot. Okay, let's go ahead and get the big fluffy brush. Probably see better on a brush though. Nice baby pink. And just like amethyst, this completely brightens. Just look at that. Look how bright that looks. Go ahead and wipe off some of that. Clean, no makeup. Look how much brighter that is. Just brightens the whole face. I don't have a full face of makeup on, but I will show you how easy it is to take off this kind of makeup with just a little bit of the Balder Balm. At the end of this, you'll see me take off my makeup with this. Sped up, of course, because we don't need a 10-minute long shot of me making funny faces and whatnot. But on to the next. As you know, we launched cream eyeshadows. This is Pretty Little Gia as a cream, and you don't need a lot, but you will get 20 grams for again $10. As you see on my eyes, there's a little color. We now have water activated eyeliners. These are not the sizes that they will be. They will actually come in a much larger size. I don't know if you can see the difference. But yes, they are 10 grams net weight. The actual liner is 10 grams, and it's 6 colors for $30. They only come in the pack, but we have a peachy orange, a glam soft pink, a lilac purple, a neon green, an aqua blue, and a highlighter yellow. As you see, I have the pink, where'd the pink go? The pink and the aqua blue on the eyes right now. And it is so easy to apply. Still no transfer. The black did transfer, but that's because I used the old formula of Wisteria because I didn't want to put lashes on. That's what we have for you guys today. We have the brand new Beauty Balm cream eyeshadows, updating soon, the Goddess water activated liners, and Morganite setting powder. And don't forget, Cry About It Pure White Liquid Lipstick. Lipstick launching May 5th at noon Central Standard. The eyeliners, the water activated eyeliners have already launched. They're on the site already. Boulder Beauty Balm is already on there for you. And I will update the site for the cream eyeshadows and Morganite as soon as I'm done here. Alright, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!